Hey everybody. What we're going to be getting into next is looking at uh, potential careers, career exploration, what do you want to do, those types of things. For some of you, this may be very clear. For many of you, it's probably not. You're still trying to figure this out, what this means. Um, One important thing to consider, though, is that everything we've talked about so far matters, okay? It's not just, I want to make X amount of money, or I want to work these kind of hours, or I want to work for this company. You need to think about your personality, your relationships, how you interact with people, how you handle stress, all these other things, because they impact your career choices, right? Because if I am a very outgoing, extroverted person, working in a place where maybe I spend all day in a cubicle and I don't talk to anybody, I'm probably not going to be very happy. Same thing, whereas if I'm very introverted, I'm not comfortable talking to other people a lot. Maybe sales isn't the thing for me. So figuring out, how your personality and your mindset and who you are impacts your career choices is an important part of this unit. So think about that as we're moving forward, as you're looking at these concepts. Keep that in the back of your mind. How, of what we learned so far, applying to what we're learning now.